Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to replace ink cartridges in a Canon Pixma MG4250. Now this is nice and simple and can be done from the printer itself, and you don't even need to involve the built-in control panel and the screen. So if we take a step back, we need to be looking at the very front of the printer. To gain access to where the ink cartridges are, if you feel just under here, there's a little recessed bit above the Canon logo. Just pull down. The printer will recognise that the front panel's been opened, and eventually slide the cartridges across to where we can replace them here. Now with ink cartridges installed, you'll have this little barrier blocking access to the ink cartridge, but it's ever simple to get to them. Just press down on whichever one it is. You've got colour on the left, black on the right. And once you've taken that barrier down, the cartridge lowers slightly and allows it to slide out nice and easily. Then you just take your replacement cartridge. I'm popping the same one back in, but make sure you've removed any protective tape that might be covering the electronics on the front of the cartridge, and some of them come with a plastic clip that covers it as well, which can make the cartridges look pretty different. Now, you just slide it back in, being conscious of the fact that the front end of the cartridge is a lot taller, so you do have to be quite precise as it goes in. Push it till it's right at the back, then we lift this barrier back up. Once that's snapped into position, we repeat it for the other cartridge if needed, then close up that door, close up the front of the printer, and your machine will start taking a look at the ink cartridges. Assuming it's happy, you'll be taken back to that screen we had at the beginning, allowing you to carry on printing as normal. If, however, you're presented with any warnings or error codes regarding low ink levels or things of that nature, I'd recommend checking out the video linked at the top of the screen, which can also be found linked in our description. Hope you found this video useful. If you have, let us know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, let us know in a comment down below. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.